Chair, gusto kong itanong sana dito kay Senator Trillanes if he is working for the ICC. Are you working for the ICC, Mr. Chair?
Hindi po,
You are not.
hindi po, Mr. Chairman.
But you are connected with the ICC.
Opo, by virtue of being the first to
So, Mr.
file.
Chair.
Yes.
This man who used to be a part of the armed forces that should be a patriot in this country has been conniving with the ICC in this country. Now, we would like to have a balance here. Hindi po yung unfair tayo o bias tayo. Balance lang tayo dito. Hindi natin dito inaakusahan ang sinumang personalidad. Issues. Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa ating former president,